Let us learn how to set up a page settings or how to set up a page from creating a page and all the basic settings you can have in a page. So what you do, go to the dashboard, then from the dashboard, go under pages, then click add a new page. Once you have added a new page, you'll have this face which will look like this. Then from here, add the title. For example, our page is called Money. Not add yet the content yet. So what you do, come and switch to page. Remove from blocks, come to page. Now from here, you can come and say, if you need the page to be visible to the public, you can select here the public, because you can select private, control how this post, but here it is a page, it's not a post. How it will be a visible. Public means that visible to everyone. Private means only you, only visible to site admins and editors. Then the password, only those with the password can view the page. So you can set it at the way you feel like. Then now this one, a template, you can set, maybe you need it to be a default page, or you need it to not to have a header. You can remove the header and the footer by choosing Elementor canvas. You can still make it Elementor full width, or it should contain the theme. Then the URL, here you can change the URL. Right now we have not published, that's why you see it is a draft. It is not yet published. So you can still check this one for pending, maybe pending for review or etc. The author is here. You can still get the author. You can still trash this page. You can add the featured image to this page. For example, this we can, yeah, let us use this. You can use a featured image like this. Then excerpts, you can put here the excerpts, the discussions, allow comments to this page. Page attributes, you can still add the page attributes here. So after all that, then you can hit publish. After publishing, then you click edit with Elementor. Sometimes if you do not set your page from the other side, you can still come and set here. Come and click on this icon here, settings. Then it will now, all the settings we're working on from the other side are now all here. So whereby you can set to draft, pending, review, private, accept, you can put it here. Order, you can put here, allow comments, hide the title, like now this one here. To hide this title here, simply you come here, hide the title, you click there, then the title will hide to show. Then you can hide and show the title. Page layout, we have here, I discussed all this. And you can still change it to either canvas. For example, canvas, if you select the canvas, this is how it will look like. When you select to follow with it, this is how it will look like. It will give you the header. Maybe if you have created the header, it can show you the header and the footer all at once, plus where you can add your content here. uh, so simply that's how you can create the page, add and set it up the way you wish, plus putting all the settings in one place before you start creating or adding content to the page.